Okay guys, so let me try to recite yung grounds on motion to quash. So, ito yung grounds no para uh, ma mapahinto natin yung trial nung kaso. So, we will start with this. There are nine grounds for motion to quash. So, ito wala tayong binabasa. So, let's recite to. Kasi final exam ko na mamaya sa criminal procedure. Now, the first ground is that the facts charged does not constitute an offense. Isa na yun, ano? That the facts charged do not constitute as an offense. Okay? It does not constitute. Number two is that the court trying the case has no jurisdiction over the offense charged. Yan. 3, that the court trying the case has no jurisdiction over the person of the accused. Okay. 3 yun. 3. Pang-apat, that the officer who filed the information, no? That the officer who filed the information has no authority to do so. All right. So wala siyang authority. Yung nag-file ng information, he had no authority to do so. Pang-apat. Pang-lima. Kasi tinatandaan ko yung mga keywords eh. Pang-lima. Yun. That yung information, ano? That it does not conform substantially to the prescribed form. Yan. So it's a motion to ground, no? Motion to quash. Then for number 6, that more than one offenses is charged, no? That there are more than one offense which is charged, and that will be a ground for motion to quash, except that when a single punishment for various offenses is prescribed by the law. Right? Okay. So then the next one is that that the criminal action or liability the criminal liability is extinguished, right? Is extinguished. Then the next is that it contains averments, that there are averments dun sa information. And then the next is ito na yung last, no? Last na siya, number 9, that the accused is previously convicted or acquitted, that the accused is previously convicted or acquitted, or the case against him was dismissed, no? Or otherwise terminated without the expressed consent of the accused. That will be a ground for motion to quash. Alright guys, so yun, kabisado ko na yung siyam, no, yung siyam na grounds for motion to quash, no? Importante kasi yan. Okay?